Dale, I love you, buddy. You make me cry. I've missed you. Uh, okay, we're going to be in YouTube here in just a second, and we will be rocking and rolling. Let me, bam, let me get out of there. There we go. Bring the screen back up so I can see. Okay, can everybody see my screen? Can everybody see my screen? We're going to go right into another screen very quickly. I just want to make sure everybody can see it. We were talking here just before we went live, and the people have spoken, and we listen. And I've got a great team that I surround myself with. And you just cannot run a business today by yourself. You have to surround yourself with great people that will help keep you in a direction that will help you be successful. If you don't do that, then you fail pretty quickly. And before we get started, I'm going to read something to you here. I shared it on a call earlier today. Give me 1 second. I want to find it on my phone. It was an email that I got by. I got to make sure I'm in the right email. And it really opened my eyes. And I don't know if any of you know who Andy Jenkins is, but he's the developer of Webinar Jam. He and his partners are developers of Webinar Jam, and I actually love him. And he's just cool. He's extremely smart, and he was talking about selling, and this is what his email said. And I want you to take this into account when you're out there, because sales really have changed, right? We're so used to doing things the same old way. And if we don't change, and if we don't take the people what they want, we usually don't close. And so he wanted to share 3 points. The first point was stop selling information. Okay. That's right. In the past few years, humanity has created and stored more information than all the previous history combined. Information is readily available and by itself has precious little value. I mean, you think about it. If people want information, they're going to go to the internet. They're going to go through all those things. They know what's out there. Okay. What they're waiting on is someone to walk in the door and help them with their problem. Their problem is customers. Okay. They got all the information. They just don't know how to implement it. You have to be the one that goes in and shows them how to implement it and show them how to use the tools that you're going to bring to them. They could care less if you've got 16 books of information. That's why I have always gone in and I do what I call show and tell, show and sell. I'm selling apps and beacons. I'm not selling PowerPoint presentations. I'm not selling notebooks full of crap. I'm not selling anything except one thing: my phone, a beacon, and the products that go along with that. The system. I sell a system. So you need to sell transformation. This is step 2. This is the second part of step 1. Sell transformation. Every one of your information products needs to become a transformation product. We have a product that will literally help businesses transform overnight, increasing footfall, bringing more traffic into their business, and doing what? Increasing their ROI, their return on investment, to help them make more money. That's what we need to do. That means when you teach with the goal of transforming your client from where they are now, instead of informing your client about what they might become. Transform them to where they need to go, what they need to do to increase that footfall. How do you know what their footfall is? You ask them. How's business? We talked about this a couple of weeks ago. I've used this my entire life in business. Hey, how's business today? It's either good or it's bad. You want to transform them, if it's bad, to great. If it's good, to exceptional. You have to take them to a different place and move them where you need to go. This means when you teach with the goal of transforming them, your client, from where they are now, instead of informing your client where they were. Number 2, stop marketing features. People could care less about features. You know, I get 57 phone calls every single day. Could you add this? Could you add this? Could you add this? Could you add? People don't care about features. They want to know what you can do for them today. What can you do for me today to help increase business? We have some phenomenal products included in those business cards. The two biggest, coupons and loyalty rewards. The two biggest tools used today to bring customers back into a business is loyalty rewards and cards. But guess what else we added? We added the ability of the beacon to speak to those customers when they get out of their car. I mean, we've got tools that are absolutely phenomenal. We're getting ready to add texting. Now, there's going to be an upsell for that texting, but we're getting ready to add texting, a complete texting suite to these packages that you're going to be able to upsell and go in and make money on. And I'm telling you, if you go in and transform these businesses to where they need to be, if you quit going in and over burdening them with more information than they need, if you go in and you actually start selling the benefits of who you are and what you are, you will be very, very successful. To be blunt, no one cares what your product does. Nobody cares. They already have too many choices and they're getting flooded more with every day. They want to know what you can do for them. People say this. Always remember that people purchase a product, but they buy from a person. They buy from a person. Here's what you want to hear from your audience. When you send me an email, I open it. I bought it because it's your product. I took the risk because I trust you. I've been following you since forever. You get that by marketing what your product does for them. They don't care if you've got 57 buttons on your app. They don't care about that. What are the 6 or 7 buttons going to do that are on that app that's going to transform their business, that's going to increase their revenue and bring more footfall in because somebody else is taking it from them? Stop telling stories. And I love this right here, and this kind of was an eye opener because what do? I'm a storyteller. That's what I've been all my life. I'm a storyteller. A story like this, and he lost 25 pounds in 3 weeks and built up a 6-figure business. You just told them what happened. That's boring, okay? You just told them what happened. People don't care about that. Show them how it happened, okay? Describe the gritty, bloody, exquisite detail of your journey. Accentuate the drama. Yes, highlight the bad so their win is what is much sweeter. Talk about where you were and what the products have done for you and where it has taken you and how it has transformed your business, how SMS technology transformed your business, how Beacon technology has transformed your business. And listen what I'm fixing to say. And I'm fixing to be very blunt, okay? If you're not using it, you gosh dang sure can't sell it. You cannot sell it if you're not using it. I have people call me that's had beacons sitting on their table for 4 months. And they call 4 months later and say, hey, this beacon's not working. And I say, did you turn it on? Oh, yeah, I guess I should have did that. 4 months? Are you kidding me? Really? 4 months? That means you're just lazy and you're sitting on your butt doing nothing. You're not serious about a business. You're not serious about going out and making money. People want to know what it took and what you do to build your business with the product you have in your hand. I use beacons every day. I went to a seminar, and this always blows my mind. And then I know I'm telling stories here, but I went to a seminar, and I walked in with 2 beacons in my pocket. I had one in the right and one on the left, both of them sending a different message. I sold 27 business cards, mobile business cards at this convention. And you know what people tell me all the time? Oh my gosh, I go to these places and no one clicks on anything. Well, that's probably because your message sucked or you didn't turn it on, or you didn't have a call to action. There's many reasons that happen. But you know what you didn't do? You didn't call somebody and say, hey, could you take a look at this and help me tweak it? Be proactive. You're building a business. I don't know how much money you guys want to make, and it's really none of my business how much money you want to make. But I can tell you this, if you've been doing this for the last 60 days and you've not made any money, it's because you've not got out and done anything. That's just a fact. That's just a fact. This is the most eye-opening email I've ever received in my life. Use your story, your anger, your fear, your joy, your voice, your faith, your own sell. Your own sell. Again, you learn exactly how to do this in Genesis Labs. Now he's selling his product. Okay. We are bringing some of the hottest technology that you can absolutely bring to the marketplace today. And no, I'm not moving any slides. I'm just talking right now. And this isn't even the training. This is just talking about the email that I got. But it so intrigued me, and it so moved me, and it so made me self-examine myself on the sales I miss out because I am not out there transforming businesses. Partnered with a company called Aurora just very recently. And I'm going to be bringing some of their products to you guys. It's bots, okay, messenger bots. I believe messenger bots, that artificial intelligence, is absolutely the wave of the future, okay? And I'm going to be doing some training on that here in the next week. And everybody will be invited to it. I'm going to give you a free bot for coming. But last night I worked with Michael. And I said, hey, send me a bot link from one of your customers, and I'm going to put it in the app. And so I took it and I worked on it for a little while. And we now are able to place these bots, these messenger bots, that can do some amazing things inside the app. So now this is another upsell that you can go out. And I'm telling you, bots are literally changing businesses today. Just another tool and not a feature, but a tool that will transform that business and actually create more footfall, increase their revenue, and drive more sales automatically. And that's where we want to take businesses, right? We want to put them on autopilot, okay? So with that said, welcome to tonight's training. We're here to transform. We're here to move. We're here to increase. We're here to help small to medium businesses make more money, so that they do what? So they love us, hug us, and kiss us every time we walk into the door. And they say, you know what? Thank you. Thank you for helping me get my business on track. All right. I'm fixing to change directions 180 degrees. Can everybody see my computer? It's green on the left. It says CTFO. On it up at the top. Can everybody see that? Did that change? Anybody? Yes. Okay. Thank you. Over the past several weeks, I've had people call me and say, hey, we would really like to control our push notifications. We would really like to control our geofencing. We would like to control some of our own marketing. So can we do that? And so I tossed it up and down, tossed it up and down, tossed it up and down. And I talked to my team here. And so we have put together a dashboard for you, okay, that will allow you to do exactly those things for you. Now, you may have a customer that says, hey, you know what, Dale, I want to control my push notifications and my geofencing because I'm a food truck, okay, and I go to different areas. I'm in this city one week and I'm in another city the next week. So I want to be able to control that. Can you show me how to do that? Okay. And or we'll do it for them. Okay. We got the DFY service, but they don't want to wait for an email to go out. They want to be able to control it themselves. We are going to give you that option to let your customers do that. Now, they're not going to be able to go in and change the apps. They're not going to go in and be able to go in and do any of those things. You're not going to be able to do that either. Okay. But what you're going to be able to do is control these things. First off, marketing. Now, this is a brand new app right here. Okay. So we're going to let you control your marketing page. These marketing pages are really, really cool. They're actually interactive. You can send, now these pages work on computers, okay, and or tablets, all right? Laptops. This is an actual working app right here, okay? Does everybody see this app on this left-hand side? This is fixing to populate with this app, okay? This is a live working app. You can come down here. You can click on this. You can see I sent out a push notification earlier, okay, from within the app, okay? The SMS, this is going to try to open into another thing here. Facebook Messenger, This is the Facebook Messenger that I was telling you about. Uh, you can actually come up here. You can watch our video. You can get the About Us information. Some of this stuff opens in other browsers. That's why I'm not going out of it. Okay. You can get all this stuff. And they're able to see right there, it says it's going to open another browser. We don't want that to happen. Now you can send this to a potential client. For example, this is a company called CTFO. They are a CBD oil company, okay, that we're working with, that we're building a system for. But you can literally send this page, okay, from within this marketing page that I just sent you, okay, from within the login. I'm going to give you a login username. Everybody will get that tomorrow, okay. Nicole's going to come in early, and she's going to pump all those out. She's going to put all those together, and she'll get those out as the day goes on tomorrow. But you can do two things here. You can either add your email address, and or you can simply type in their phone number, or they can type in their phone number, okay, and just click send a link, and it will send out the link. All right, SMS sent, and I just got it on my phone. Now you can actually send out this page to them. Now we just built this app, and I just sent it to Google, but this will also, they can use your QR code reader to download the app on their phone. This will also have a link right here that goes to the Google Play Store as soon as we get that uploaded in the next 24 to 48 hours. So you're able to go out and you're able to send this page out, okay, from within your marketing page. The link is right up here. All you do is go to promo site, and you're able to do that. You're also going to be able to control all your social media from here. You can come in here. You can type in whatever you want right here. You can send it to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+. Does everybody know Google+ is going away? Google+ is on the out. I mean, it's done. They can't compete. So it's over. So I wouldn't really worry about sending it to Google+. Yeah, this is eventually going away. But LinkedIn and Twitter, Facebook, you're able to go in here and you're able to send this information out via your social media. So really, really cool. And you can come in and you can create QR codes. You can put these QR codes on their site. You can put these QR codes wherever you want to put them. You can save them. You can download the image. They can put them in their print media, whatever they want to do. And you can do the exact same thing. Let me recommend again. Let me say again, use what you have, okay? You should all be sending out. When you're talking to customers, this link right here, this goes directly to your custom page. You select the page that you want to send. Okay, they'll be able to download it from Google Play. They'll be able to use a QR code, and or they can text it and or email it to themselves. All right, that's part of the system. Your messaging. You're going to be, oops. You're going to be able to come in and do your own messaging, okay? Simple notifications and scheduled notifications. These are push notifications. So let's say that you've got 50 customers out there, or 100 customers that have your app, okay? And I'm talking about your MSD apps, your My Special Deal apps, and or in this gentleman's case, his CTFO app, okay? If they have his app, then he can go in and he can do his own custom push notifications. Just like if your business wants to do their own, we're going to give them access in a white label training video which will be out tomorrow. Okay, I recorded it today. I just have to go in and edit it and cut out all the uhs and ahs and all that crap. Okay, and so they're going to have a white label video that's going to walk them through each one of these buttons and show them exactly how to do it. If they want to send out a simple push notification, they just come up here, send to everyone, type in the notification. Hey, this is a test. If I want to attach it to a link, I can. Okay, if I want to attach it to, if I want to attach this to Facebook Messenger, okay, I can send this to them. This Facebook message bot is attached to a bot, which is attached to the Facebook page. Okay, so I can send the bot if I want to. I can connect on Twitter, and I can simply go save. And I just sent out a push notification at 2020. Okay, he lives on the West Coast, East Coast. So, and I just got that push notification on my phone. It says CTFO, hey, thanks. This is a test. I click on it and it goes directly to Facebook Messenger. Super, super, super awesome. Super, super, super awesome. Okay. And you're going to have your analytics. So let me go back to geofencing real quick. And you guys will all, you can, well, since I'm on analytics here, you can see downloads, opens. He's had 11 opens. He's got 7 active users right now. Okay. So 7 people. Is this going to be a part of each customer's app or a new app was set up an extra month? No, this is a part of every single app. This is a part of every single app. We're not going to add money for this. I just finished programming it out today so we could individualize the dashboards. Now, what we can do also is, let's say you go out and sell 50 customers. We can put all of those apps into your dashboard. You know, oh, that's absolutely. This is worth a lot of money. I mean, this could be a $2.99 incentive, you know, I mean, and free today for signing up. Absolutely. You bet your bottom bippy, buddy. Absolutely. This is a serious lead magnet right here. Serious lead magnet. So they get all their download information. What's their push cost? Nothing. It's part of the app. There's no cost to push. You go ahead and type the message, hit the button. It sends it out however it sends it. Texting cost? I'm going to launch the texting next week for the apps. I will let you know next week. We're going to launch texting next week with a couple of really cool things that they're able to use. It's going to be really good. Everybody get that? We're going to talk about texting next week. Add texting to the apps. And there's actually going to be a suite of things that they're going to receive with that. Okay, let's go back up here to mess. Any questions on analytics? Shows app downloads. If your app creates any revenue, which these apps don't, you can see the app revenue. Downloads here. All right. Let's go back up here to messaging. You can go do schedule notifications. You can literally set these up and send out one every Wednesday or something to all your clients. Now, this is what's cool about, and somebody, I don't know what it was, the messages are going by, but this is what's cool about these push notifications. Let's say that you've got 100, 200, 500 clients, and all of them have your app. Why? Because they want to be able to get to you in a quick manner. So they're going to open up your app on their phone, and they're going to text you, call you, or whatever they're going to do. That's how they want to contact you. That's how they want to stay in communication with you. Okay. So they stay in communication with you that way. Guess what you can do? Hey, we've got a texting special going on today. Are you using a birthday club? Are you using SMS marketing to drive traffic? You can send people those kind of messages. And so let's say that you've got 500 customers and you get 10% of them. Okay, you just sold 50 texting packages. And you didn't even have to go out there. So, they're going to say, hey, Jerry, I just got this message from you, buddy. Just curious exactly how this works. Hey, Ree, man, I just saw that you got this really cool birthday program. I've been looking for something like this. We would love to bring this on board. What do we need to do? I mean, you're doing marketing from your bed at night, literally. And To be quite honest, I do a lot of marketing laying in bed at 2 o'clock in the morning. And the geofencing. This is what got us thinking about the geofencing and letting you guys geofence whatever you want to do. You may be in a different area. you may be in a different area, or maybe you're marking in a different area, or maybe you've got 2 or 3. For example, Florida. Okay, he's working several different areas, so he may want to set up geofences several different ways. So all he has to do is come in here and set up an arrival geofence. So people that come into the geofence. Now, this is what I recommend. Okay, do several small geofences around the areas that you're working. All right. For example, now this guy's in Madison. It's right here. Okay. Madison, North Carolina. So he may want to come over here. And as you can see, Madison's not a very big town. Okay. So he can come over here and he's going to geofence this area right here. All right. We got a main road coming into Madison here, a main road coming into Madison here. You know, we may want to move it up. I mean, you can move it. You can do whatever you want to with it. Center it on the town. You can make it smaller. Just cover the town. But if you're working in larger areas, take this into the retail areas. Let's say that this is a really big retail area over here. Okay. And maybe we want to put another one in the retail area over here. Maybe one, oops. Maybe we want to put another one. Let's say this is a retail area down here right off this road. Maybe there's some gas stations and a couple of stores and a strip mall right there. So we can come in here and set up multiple geofences. All right. Multiple geofences. And then we just simply say next. Don't forget to come in. My specialty, or whatever it is. Don't forget to come in today and get 10% off. Remember, these are individual apps. This isn't for every app. This is for individual apps. So maybe it's a clothing store. Get 10% off today on every purchase. All right. On every purchase, you know, and then come down here. And what are you going to do? You're going to give them the coupon. Now, there's no coupons on this app, but you can click on it and send them directly to the coupon. And when they drive into this area, they're going to get a push notification based on the geofencing system. That's going to say, hey, you know, Carrie's Boutique's got a 10% off sale today. Dude, we got to go get that. And somebody asked today, how do they get the apps? You can just put QR codes at the businesses. Every business needs to make sure that they get that app. So when we set up this text messaging next week, they can say, hey, text Carrie's Boutique to 555-888. All right. And you'll be able to get our app, download our app that way. All right. They're also going to get the app. And we talked about this today. And matter of fact, I just got out of a meeting right before training. We're going to cut a step out of the beacon. Instead of doing the card on that beacon, on the initial beacon that goes with the package, that's going to drive them directly to the app. Because in the app, there's already a coupon, and there's already a loyalty reward card. So the reason we were using the card, all right, the reason we were using the card is so that we could drive them into the app. And we had a meeting today, and one of the girls said, hey, you know, that's really 2 steps. And she said, that's 7 to 10 minutes. So with 100 apps, that's 700 minutes that we're duplicating our efforts when we can send them directly to where the coupon and the loyalty rewards card is anyway, and drive them into the app, which is what the business wants to do anyway. So what we're going to do is that big E2, that the beacon they get is going to drive them directly into the app. Then if they want to do specials throughout the store, and we're going to talk about how to do that as we go through trainings in the next few weeks. If they want to set up more beacons in the store with shorter ranges as people are walking through the store and they're getting more deals as they go through, that's where you go in and you upsell them on the pocket beacons. And you stick the pocket beacons wherever the sales are going on, and we set them out there about 6 to 10 feet. And when they walk through that area, what's going to happen? Ding! They're going to get a notification. Nearby's going to say, hey, we've got a deal right here. They're going to open that up. And now they're going to open the markdown card with the coupon. Now they can open the markdown card for that coupon. Then they walk through the store. They don't get another notification. Maybe they get back by the shoes. Beep. They got another notification. Oh my gosh, there's 2 sales in here that's not being advertised. So it does 2 things. It allows you to upsell beacons and make more money. So there will not be a coupon displayed. I mean, if that's what you want, we can do that. So with that said, we'll give an option. But it says coupon on the bottom of the app. They know it's a store. And they're already there for what? My special deals anyway, because I saw the window, the thing in the window. They already know there's deals there. Okay. They already know there's deals there. But if you want to put a coupon on a markdown card, we can still do that. Just for you, Jerry. It doesn't matter to me. I've just had about 200 people say we would really like to drive them into the app so that people will download the app on their phone. And that's what the markdown card does. It has a link on the markdown card to drive them into the app. That's another step in the sales process. Now the geo can send them right into a coupon. If I've got a coupon on here, I can do what's called deep linking, and the geo fence will take them directly to the image in the picture. Take them directly to the image in the picture inside the app. So they will go directly to the ad, directly to the coupon with geofencing. They will be inside of the app. They won't be inside. They won't be on the front page. They'll go directly to a coupon. And you can do the same thing with a push notification. Just simply hit save. And you can see here, you got your information here. Here's your geo fences. Here's your past push notifications. I need to remove this. This app is live. And we're going to have a whole bunch more. We're going to have a whole lot more training on this. How to use this, how to best use these tools to do what? Transform that business. And that's going to be a big word you guys are going to hear me talk about a lot. Transformation of a business. All right. And then customers. Now, right now we don't have it set up to where customers can put their information in. That's something we're toying with right now. Because this is a huge step in the process, but they can build a list here. So when they come in and do their messaging, then we go to a simple notification. We can select people based on the audience, what tags they have. That's coming down the road. I don't want to give too much too fast. But everyone will have a dashboard. You cannot go in and change your app. You can't go in and do anything on your app. That's all going to be done in-house. This page, everybody on a computer, I'm going to put the page in this group, and you can see what it looks like. And go in and type, oops, sorry about that. Go ahead and type your text number in there and you'll get his app. You'll get it texted to you and you can see the app. For those of you that know Mike, say a prayer for him and his family. His grandma just passed away. So that's why I got quiet for a minute. I just got the text. So anyway, prayers to Michael. So anyway, you're able to send that link out. It opens up on their page. You can literally text it out. If you text it out to them, it's going to go directly to the app. If they open it on a computer, if you email it to them, they open it on a computer, it's going to go to that page and they can download the app. So it's a twofold link. It does two different things. And as I showed you on the page here, this is an active. This is an active phone. This phone is active. So they can literally go through and click on this and check it out. Right? There you go. You can see the next message, the other message I've sent out there. And as you send out these messages, when they click on messages, they can see that. Any questions on that at all? Yes, I have one goal, and that's to bring up and bring the tools that I know people need, and been doing this a long time, and it's changing daily, and it's just really, 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 really cool. Any questions? This right here, this non-registered user message, that's the message I just sent. If you just saw me do that. So if somebody sends you a message, you can see the message from that person. And what you can do is I can come right back in here and I can text them back. Okay, they don't have to sign up or anything. They can message you and you can get these messages right inside your platform. Now, I don't have the link with me right now, But you will also get a link. Everybody stand by because this is really cool. You don't have to do this from a computer. You can do all of this messaging and all of this back end stuff from your phone. I'm going to give you an app that you're going to be able to save, put your username and password in on your phone, and you're going to be able to do the exact same thing. Because everybody knows I love going to the beach and working. So, and I want you to be able to do the same thing. Oh, yeah. Everybody, yes, everybody. Everybody, dang, I should have said that first. Everybody got really happy. Oh, shoot. Hey, man, I love breaking out cool stuff. So, but we're gonna give you an app also that you'll be able to put on your phone, and you'll be able to give this app to your customers too. Say, hey, you want to do this? You want to check on everything? You want to watch your messages while you're on vacation? Because every business owner, every entrepreneur cares about his business, even when he's on vacation. We all do it, you know. Um, Probably why I don't have a wife today, but it's just part of it. Uh, but we all love our business and we all want to watch our business and we all have that little anal retentiveness of got to be involved. So, it's just the way it is, just the way it is. But yeah, so you'll get an app tomorrow. You will get a username and password, and you will get a dashboard exactly like this, exactly like this. Okay. Any questions? Well, thank you. That was very kind of you to say. A lot of people don't think I work, so, but I do. I do. Always looking to bring the best to the forefront. It's going to come next week. We're going to start talking about SMS technology and marketing. Yes, I'm going to do I'm going to do a white label video. It's not going to be like tonight. Okay. It's going to be, okay. Go into your marketing system, go into promo site. You'll be able to send your site out, and I'm going to walk through it step by step through each button. There's only 4 buttons here. Okay. It'll be a white label video that you'll be able to give your, um, uh, for all the reps. You can give it to your reps. If your rep has an app, okay, they'll be able to have this. They'll be able to go in and log in. Now, if your reps are using the same app and and you all want to manage it, you can all get in the same app. That's fine. But and your customers will all have that. But the video, I've got to wake up in the morning, and for some reason, I woke up at 2:30 this morning for some stupid. Don't ask me why. I was literally watching a webinar in bed last night at 2:30, and couldn't go back to sleep. So I got up and went to work. But um, I'm going to edit the video in the morning. It'll be a step-by-step. Yeah, I'm very excited. It'll be a step-by-step video that walks through this platform, okay? That will walk through this platform exactly like it is with the tools that we're going to be currently using. They'll get the app that they can do it from wherever they're at. All they have to do is log in with their username and password. They can send messages from there. They can do push notifications from the app. They can do everything they want. So you don't have to be on a computer. Gary's rich and lives in Florida down there with all the rich people that drive little mini cars that look like Rolls Royces. So I know he wants an app. I know that he's going to be using it a lot. Edsel. I wished I had an Edsel because it's probably worth a whole lot of money. Oh, shoot. All right. Well, we're going to go ahead and shut it down. I'm going to work on the platform just a little bit more tonight for you guys, and we'll be rolling that out tomorrow along with the app. You'll get the username and password, and you'll get your app. And you can go in and change your username and password if you want once you're done with it, because I can still access everything from the main account. So you can go in and change your password whenever you get it. It's going to be something simple, so something I can remember. Okay, but we'll be sending that out to you tomorrow. Any other questions? This app is actually a business app. This is a business app for a company. So yeah. This is what your customers are going to get, right? Except they're going to get a coupon and all that stuff. Yeah, the customer can download the Nearby app. Absolutely. Nearby's free. They can download the Nearby app now. Yep. Absolutely, Paul. Good to see you, buddy. Yeah, they can download the Nearby app right from their phone, whether on iPhone or Android. Absolutely. We've got the Nearby app for those of you who watch it closely. An app should populate in less than 3 seconds. That's a good app. And Jerry brought it to my attention the other day that he was literally able to eat lunch while the app was populating. And as soon as I got off the phone with him, I got on the phone with the developers. Okay, the app now will populate somewhere between 2.7 and 2.9 seconds. All right, instead of 5 minutes. So thanks to Jerry for that. I appreciate everybody that sends me messages and says, hey, this isn't doing this. We're doing an upgrade right now on the Nearby Android. Yeah, loving it. Absolutely. The distance, we've been working on the distance. Right now, we've got the E2 at about, I don't know, 600 or 700 feet, and in the pocket beacon at about 220. I got it at today. So we've been working, there's just a lot of tweaking that you have to do. If you tweak one thing, then sometimes it'll offset another. So you have to just really work the numbers inside the development, inside the program. And I work directly with the developer that's developing that. So you don't have to worry about anything not working. Trust me. I'm on the phone with them constantly. All right. Well, man, I'm very excited. God bless Michael Penny and his family and for their loss tonight. And just keep them in your prayers. And we'll just continue to rock and roll. We're going to continue to make it happen. And I know a couple of people on here bought some. Yeah, I'm very excited. And thank you for the prayers for him. A couple of people on here bought some Cyber Monday stuff. I think Michael's going to be getting some information from you. But listen, and I saw them on here earlier. I'm going to send you out a link tomorrow. I know Michael's going to be tied up with this thing for a couple of days. So I'm going to send you a link that you're going to be able to fill out the information. If you have any questions, you'll be able to click on that and call me direct, and I will walk you through it. And we'll get that app built for you and get it out to you immediately. So I know he's going to be tied up, and he was going to take care of that tomorrow. So. All right. Awesomeness. All right, guys, everybody have a great evening. When trading in bot, I'll let you know. Probably, I'm trying to see if I've got another webinar on Thursday. If not, I'm going to do a full bot training webinar on Thursday. And you will be able to put the bots inside of the app, or I'll be able to put it in. All I need is the link. All right. Everybody have a wonderful evening. God bless. And I will see you one night more this week when we do the bot training. Yes, sir. Thank you.